Hello everyone. Today I'm here with a speech based on the topic alcohol. So let me just give a brief intro based on my topic. So alcohol is a drug that can be toxic and addictive. When we talk about alcohol, we usually mean the alcohol that is found in wine, beer and spirits. Alcohol is the ingredients in these drinks which makes you drunk. Some of the effects of alcohol is that drinking too much of alcohol puts you at the risk for some cancers, which can be also known as cancers in the mouth, throat, livers, and breast. It can also affect your immune system too. If you drink every day or almost every day, you might notice that you got cold, flu, and other illness more frequently as compared to the person who doesn't drink. As per my speech, we have known that alcohol is dangerous and harmful for our health, so better try to avoid it and stay safe. Thank you.